The Young and the Restless spoilers show that Abby Newman's and Chance Chancellor's wedding date is set and it's only a week away. Next Tuesday on December 1st, it's set in stone and we're all invited to the wedding. On the Young and the Restless official Instagram page, they posted a photo of their wedding invitation and want to know who's coming by using the card in their Instagram stories. Take a look at the post below. The Young and the Restless spoilers, Abby and Chance's wedding is set. Get your reservation. Fans commented on the post, "Can't wait for this wedding to happen. We want a terrier wedding. Highly excited, thanks for the invite. So excited for them, and I'll be there. Are you looking forward to the wedding, and do you think Boaz will be back before then, or will we see Orday's husband, Justin Gaston, as Chance? What do you think? Are you looking forward to watching their wedding? Let us know in the comments below." At the society, Abby told Ashley that Chance was doing well. Ashley informed Abby that she was available to help Abby plan the wedding, but she was shocked when Abby told her the wedding would take place the following week. Abby said she loved the idea of incorporating Dina's mementos into the wedding, and she wanted to include the Newman side as well. Ashley was very happy for Abby. She said that relationships weren't built on luck. It took a lot of hard work and communication, and chemistry was very important. She said that Abby had chosen well. Abby returned to Chance's suite and found he'd ordered room service for them. Abby had her own surprise, takeout for two from the society. Chelsea returned to the Chancellor mansion and immediately sent Connor a text message. "Hi Connor, just thinking about you. Hope you're having a good day. I know you've been texting about when Dad and I can come visit. We're working on it." Ray returned to the coffee house and noticed that Sharon seemed agitated. She told him that Victor had been there and informed her that Adam had plotted against his family prior to the shooting. Ray said it didn't affect her, but Sharon said it did because Victor had made a request. She admitted that after she thought about it, she'd say yes. Victor arrived at the penthouse and told Adam he had to tell him something in person. Adam said he wasn't interested, but Victor said it was clear that Adam needed professional help. He wouldn't stand by and watch Adam destroy himself. Adam told him not to watch. Victor asked what had happened to Adam to get him to the point he was at. Adam needed help, and Victor didn't want him to make it any harder than it already was.